Cheap here with more bird story. We are going to just fly around. Oh. Boy and bird in the sky. Going twice as high. Take a look. The plane's made from a book. Burp story. What? Okay. But don't go there, it's cold. Oh, are we gonna try to find your... Yeah, you go Bird Island hunting. Are you literally in clouds? Whee! Oh! Are you from Hawaii? I don't know why I always assume tropical islands are Hawaii. Actually, judging by some of the things, it might not be. Whoosh. You can go on a journey around the world. Find this bird, his girl. Oh, this place is pretty. Space! Are we gonna find space birds? Is this Space Bird Island? I have a very small suspicion this might not be his nest. Also, the reason why I'm assuming this is a male is if the other one is the bird's better half. I don't know how to word this. Male birds tend to have brighter and more noticeable coloring. But then again, this one's a light brown, which would be good for like blending in and stuff. So, I don't know. Don't worry, we're not taking your eggs. It's cool. Be cool, man. Oh, the artwork in this game is so beautiful. Oh, is this where we live? Maybe? No, probably not. Nope. And you have a very difficult to find nest. Also, I think those people live in mountains. Well, that's sad. We went on a whole adventure and didn't find it. Of course, I think it's in our backyard, but, you know. Thank goodness our possibly single parent, possibly, I don't even know. Probably, possibly? There we go. Hey, we fixed our bug. And it's thank goodness our, what I assumed to be our single parent wasn't, like, isn't home more often, because it'd be like my kid's going around on a giant paper airplane with a bird. That's a broken wing. A wild bird, mind you. I did not sanction the owning of this bird. Oh, we love you too, bird. Uh-oh. Run. Veterinarian is suspicious. Oh no, they're after us. Did we even pay them? So what happens when you don't pay for services rendered? A veterinarian just follows you for the rest of your life. It's where the lights are for us and not the people like the drivers. I didn't say the people crossing, but we're the people crossing. Sorry, I'm just so used to being in cars. Oh snap! Run! I'm not in control, but I was still clicking the buttons. I don't know how this school is built, but it's awesome. Take that, jerks. Well, one of you's a jerk. Really thought that was gonna work, huh? What? What? You just ate a door. You must face our self. Our self is creepy. Alright, so apparently we have superpowers. Also, we're never going to school again. Give a note for our parent. Dear parental units, we cannot go to school anymore because we kinda stole a bird from a veterinarian and they tracked us down. In our defense, though, it is a wild bird, therefore I don't think it belongs to anyone, specifically the veterinarian. Although we've been keeping it and taking care of it, I'm sure you've probably noticed. Wing! Uh-oh. He's super sad, but does he understand? Oh, his wing didn't get better, did it? We've doomed our bird friend. I'm also wondering how much time has passed. Additional note, that is not a zippering backpack and the bird can pop out the top like that. I'm pretty sure it has a flap. It appears to be raining. I feel so heartbroken for this child right now. I'm actually upset that I'm this upset over a game that doesn't even like have work. Can I jump? No. Playtime is over. We must do what we can to save Bird Friend. Safe to go? I don't know how to handle yellow lights, mostly because people seem to run them. I'm not sure where we're going. Not that way, apparently. Oh. Don't do this to my heart, you suck! Also, how do they know we were coming? Oh, we only have one direction to choose. The memories. No! I don't think that tear tower one actually happened, but... Oh, I'm making that kid go past that. I just got the biggest Brothers A Tale of Two Sons vibe. If you haven't played that game, go ahead. Child! Why is the teacher in on this? What? Oh my gosh. Puppy dog eyes, get yourself under control. Teacher's just done with life. She's out to screw us, but she's done. Dear Lightning, please do not lightning us. Sincerely me. Oh, when the lightning goes off, we cover the bird. Also, I'm really worried this kid just jumped off a cliff to his death. I don't think lightning's avoidable. That I'm doing this horrifically wrong. Nope. What if I fly over the lightning? It'll never get me. You know, I said that, and then I came slightly back down, and I can't help but feel responsible for that lightning getting us. I'm sorry! Please tell me I didn't throw a child off a cliff. Technically, I didn't have control of that, but still. Also, oh snap, did the bird just get killed? I'm really concerned. Like, I'm physically upset concerned. I'm pretty sure we killed that kid. Maybe we just maimed his legs. I can't tell. He looks kind of funny there. Alright, I guess we're okay. Bird. I assume we have to get it right. Bird, are you okay? Bird? Literally the saddest eyes anyone's ever made. Bird! Oh no! What? I think Bird just got stolen by another bird. Everybody's waving and stuff, and we're just not having it. Life was better with the bird. Why? Why did we go flying through the storm? No, really, why and how? Okay, we're gonna see Bird Friend, and Bird Friend's gonna be okay. I've officially decided this. We found paper. It's always a good sign. Start of a trail. We'll take notes. I am in so much denial about whether or not that bird's dead. I refuse to accept the bird is dead. Okay, here. This is gonna sound really stupid. I'd rather see the child who died, and this is just us remembering stuff as we die, than know that the bird is dead at this point. I was so in love with that bird. He's like 7-ish. Don't make him grow up with that on his hands. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Nobody in the elevators. They don't understand our pain. You always hurt the birds you love. I can't believe I just said that. I'm trying to find things to say because I'm really upset right now. Oh, at the beginning we had a bunch of papers. We're trying to collect them all again. Yeah, in your dreams. I understand now. Also, those same 3 pieces of clothing have been hanging up for literally ever. Getting him fresh water. I'm sorry, I didn't know it went this route. I will trade the kid for the bird, come on. The hunt continues. The clothes came in. Come on, bird, just let us know you're alive. Please don't throw yourself off a ledge. Did he throw himself off the ledge? Don't throw yourself off the balcony. Wait, what? Sounds? Bird sounds? Bird? Get out of bed, you little twerp! Go! I'm trying to get out of the bed. I might yawn and say, Boyfriend! You're okay! I am smiling like an idiot. I'm so happy Bird Friend's okay. Also, now looking at the pair of them, Bird Friend's probably the female of the two. Bird Friend can fly! Oh, thank everything! We should probably take the bandage off. I have to hold both at the same time. Now, goodbye, Bird Friend. I'm pretty sure you're not gonna come back. You guys don't understand. My day would have been ruined, possibly my week, if Bird Friend was dead. Ah, is that the last paper? Oh, I bet we threw that recently. Because we folded one up and then went outside, and I was worried that we killed ourselves. Bird Friend. Bird Friends! The gentlest hug. No, just live here. There's a nice tree. Great view. I can't do this. I'm trying so hard to do it. I'm like 7 emotions right now. I am so happy sad. That was really beautiful. The music was amazing. You know, I wasn't sure how No Words is gonna work, but they did the story visually amazingly well, in my opinion. Like, every place you go looks like somebody just sat down and was like, I'm gonna make art of a location. Like, awesome pixelated art, which is the best. Oh my god, I remember that part. It was so cute. So with minimal interaction, I'm always worried. Because, like with light novels and stuff like that, or with a, Lovecraft thing that I was going to record, like, sometimes you're just sitting there reading a lot while clicking buttons to make it go forward. Whereas with this, like I said at the beginning, I think, this is more of an interactive movie where sometimes, like, we watch the scene and then we have to, like, push a few things to sort of make it go on. Which at the end there was really hard to do. Oh, look at their beautiful little bird island. I like the fact that after a certain point the game was very, I want to say almost dreamlike, but I want to say it was like more dreamlike in his imagination. Or as his memories. Because, yeah, when you're going from... Sorry, he's doing something later play. Like when you do the same old every day, going from home to school, or going from home to work, or whatever, you know, you really don't think about the stuff in between too much unless something notable happens. And I like the way that they showed that by just blurring things into each other and making it seem like a few steps. Finding Paradise. Oh, I will play the crap out of that. But I really like the way that they did this. And I guess it's time to close it. All the ads. Oh, and now you guys see my normal Steam account. And alright, oh gosh, so many things. I have Discord if you guys ever want to chat with me. Oh, hey, since you guys are seeing some of my desktop instead of desktop. So, that was Bird Story. As you can see in my little corner here of Isaac, get out of there. So, these were 3 things that I was thinking about recording today. Bird Story took a lot longer than I thought it would, since it said it was short. And by short, it meant an hour. So, I'll probably do Let the Cat In next. And then press X not to die, or maybe I'll do press X not to die for something more interactive. This one's kind of like a puzzle game. I want to say it's free. Are you free? Yeah, I'm sure you guys are fully aware of my regular Steam account, so I don't care. Let the Cat In. Yeah, Let the Cat In's free to play and a puzzle game. So, that's not what the game looks like. That's what the game looks like. Anyways, that's probably the next thing I'm gonna play. You guys know that Monday is recording day. If you guys bring up something in between me playing Bird Story and these 2 games, which good luck on having enough time to do that. Although I do have a couple days worth of stuff recorded. Anyways, but if somebody brings up something, I'll record something else. However, those are the next 2 things that I intend to play. Yes, look at all of the stuff. All of the things that I have on my computer. Oh. That was supposed to be part of the list. 2 seconds you move it. I am constantly, like, filtering this stuff out. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this recording off here before you guys get any more information on me. Bye!